You have seen her, Aitana Lopez. 100% AI, pink-haired Spanish baddie. Brands pay her like she's a real model. She makes over $10,000 a month, and she's not even real. Then there's Zara Shatavari, India's first AI influencer. She gives skincare tips, wears desi fashion, and people believe she's human. And the craziest part? Behind these faces is no one. No girls, no photo shoots, no influencers, just one person with a laptop using AI. And now it's your turn. People are making $1 million by creating these virtual influencers and renting them out to brands for shoutouts, product promos, and UGC videos. All from home, all without showing their face. And for the boys who say, girls get fame faster, this is your shortcut. Make your own AI girl, build her audience, and let her do the work. Because brands don't care if she's real. They care if she sells, and she can, if you know how to build her. Today, I'll show you how to create your own AI model, make her look like a celebrity, turn her into a video star, and get her talking in seconds, all using one free tool. Apop AI. No makeup, no lights, no followers needed, just your brain and one fire prompt. Let's build your AI baddie empire. All right, let's get into it. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Apop AI, step by step, even if you've never touched an AI tool before. We'll cover everything from building your first influencer model to making her move, talk, and even star in videos, all with zero filming, zero editing, and zero experience. Let's begin. Open your browser and go to apop.ai, link in description. Create a free account using your Google login. No card required, no setup drama. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the sidebar on the left and click on Create Portrait Model. This is where the magic starts. You'll now see an option called Apop AI Influencer. Click on it, and now we build your digital baddie. You'll see a full customization panel. Let's break it down. Gender. Choose female, male, or leave it random. Skin tone. From fair to dark to golden. Pick whatever fits your character. Eye color. Go natural like brown or black, or bold like emerald green or icy blue. Hairstyle. Long waves, curly bob, messy bun, braids, afro. Pick your vibe. Hair color. From natural shades to pink, purple, silver, even multi-tone. Age group. Teen, adult, or mature. I suggest adult for a versatile influencer. Outfit style. You don't pick exact outfits here, but this helps define the personality later, like casual, formal, sporty, etc. You can either customize each setting or just click a random until you find a face that clicks. Once you're happy with the look, give your model a name, something unique and brandable, like Leah Blaze, Nova Ray, or Zara Storm. Now, click Create Model. Apop will now generate your AI model in a few seconds. And boom, your digital influencer is officially born.
Now that your model exists, let's put her in some outfits and scenes. From the sidebar, here, you'll select your saved model and type in a mas prompt, project, which is just a description of what you want the image to look like. For example, wearing a white crop top and denim skirt, standing on a rooftop at sunset, city skyline in the background, soft cinematic lighting. You can also adjust art style, like realistic, digital art, anime, etc. Environment. Beach, city, studio, garden, office. Aspect ratio. Choose 1:1 for Instagram, 9:16 for Reels, etc. Then click Generate.
Apop will generate 2 high-quality, consistent face images based on your model. And when I say consistent, I mean same face, different outfits, different poses. Perfect for building a cohesive brand. You can repeat this to create unlimited content. One model, hundreds of unique lifestyle shots. Okay, so now you've got some stunning images. Let's upscale them for sharper quality. Click on any image you love and press Enlarge. Apop gives you a free upscale option, up to 4x resolution. No credits, no watermark upgrade needed. The upscaled image will be sharper, cleaner, perfect for Instagram, thumbnails, posters, even prints. Click download, and you're ready to post. Now let's bring your influencer to life, literally. Click on Image to Video Ultra. Upload any of your model's images, preferably the upscaled one. Click Generate, and give it a moment. In a few seconds, Apop will give you a subtly animated video, where the face blinks, head slightly moves, shoulders shift. It looks like she's breathing on camera. It's subtle, but so powerful for aesthetic reels, faceless content creators, brand demos, personal blogs with no camera needed. One image equals one AI video equals zero effort. You can download this and post it anywhere you want. Now, let's make your model say things. Go to the Mot Lip Sync tab. You'll upload either a static image or an animated clip from image to video. Then upload a voiceover. This can be your own voice or a voice clip generated directly inside Apop using their built-in text-to-speech feature.
Remind yourself, you're that girl.
Click Generate. And boom! Your model is now talking like a real influencer.
Sometime, you just need to pause, breathe in the moment, and remind yourself, you're that girl. Strong, radiant, unstoppable.
Perfect for brand promos, product reviews, tutorials, faceless TikToks or Reels. Final pro tip: build a page, post consistently, and monetize your model is created. You've made HD images, short videos, and even lip sync content. Now what? Create an Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube channel. Post daily using your model in different scenarios. Treat her like a real brand. Give her a name, personality, and niche. Use her to promote digital products, brand partnerships, affiliate links, or offer custom face swap and AI video services as a freelancer. There are already people making thousands using AI models like this. You could be next. So now that you've seen how powerful this tool really is, how easy it is to build your own virtual influencer, create high-quality videos, generate stunning images, and even add voice, here's what I want you to do. Start with the free trial. Try it out. Explore everything. Play with image generation, video animation, and lip sync features. Because let's be real, before you earn from any tool, you need to learn how to use it. And if you end up loving it, which I'm honestly 100% sure you will, then don't be afraid to invest in yourself. To make serious money with AI, you have to treat it seriously. And sometimes that means putting in a little time, a little creativity, and yes, a little money. The good news? You don't have to pay full price. Use my special code, DECO15, and you'll get 15% off on any subscription plan. Yup, that's a global discount. Just for you, my audience. So if you're ready to level up, link is in the description. Try it, create your model, and maybe start building your own digital brand. See you in the next one. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep making money with AI.